Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to add music to your Roblox game. In order to edit our game file, we need to go to Roblox Studios. So go to the search panel and type Roblox Space Studio. Open the app. Now go to My Games and open up any of your game. So in order to add music to our game, we'll have to add the sound file to the workspace tab. To do that, click the plus button on the right side of workspace. Now type sound, then add sound. After that, click on sound, and on the bottom right hand side, make sure to toggle looped and playing in the playback menu. Then go to the toolbox. Make sure that it's set on the audio profile. Now in the settings, type background music. Now you can choose any of the musics from here. I'll choose this one. So right click, copy asset ID. Then again on the bottom right hand side in the assets menu, paste it and hit enter. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.